I had a mess up with my other phone, my work phone, and I'm just going to change my camera a little bit there. So my little baby kind of broke my phone. The sound has been messed up, so now I'm on my regular phone, and the screen is so much bigger. So I'm like, oh, look, I can see my face. So I just had a shower. We're going to get ready for karaoke. Did not realize that it was in 20 minutes. So instead of going all slow and being like la-di-da, I'm going to do this a little bit faster than normal. First thing that I'm going to do is, like I always do, except I'm not going to moisturize today. I'm just using my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. It's going to be a very quick makeup routine, but it's still going to look as hot as it usually does. So I've got two foundations, and I'm a little reluctant to use actual foundation. I still kind of want to use my Gellar one. Really been enjoying how that looks. But what I'm going to do today is go in with my eyes first, because I wanted to do a smoky eye. But I was like, I want to do a brown. But I'm like, wait a second, I can't do a brown because the top I'm wearing won't go good with brown. So instead, I picked my Icy Nude palette by Huda Beauty. Love this palette, you guys. It is beautiful. So I'm going to go into the shade She Rich. I'm going straight in with the dark shade. I will buff out my lids first. I added the Sigma eye primer here. I use this in all of my videos when I'm applying a shadow. So I'm going to go in with a relatively small brush. We're going to have fallout. That's why I'm doing my eyeshadow first and then the rest of my makeup after. So She Rich is the darkest shade in the palette. I don't know how powdery this is, but we're just going to go with it. We're going to pack this color on here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is line my eyes. I'm going to do like basically everything right now. And then we'll come back and maybe we'll add some sparkle. So it won't be a true smoky eye. But we'll see. We'll see what it looks like when we're done, because right now it's looking pretty dark. So I'm going to line my eyes. I'm going to just do all of the things, and we'll be back to finish the eyes and do lips. See you soon. All right, guys, we are back. I'm just going to add a little bit of blush to my cheeks, because I added, let's see here. I did add liquid blush, but it seems to have faded. So I'm going to add Luminoso from Milani. This is like one of my favorite brightening blushes. I'm just going to use my blush brush. Right over top of my nose. And then we're going to go back into the shadow. So I'm really happy with the way the eyes still kind of are, you know, they're still good. But what I'm going to do now is add some darker shadow, the same color to the lower lash line. So I'm going to try to be careful here. I'm just going to add it on the tip of the brush at first, the same color, and just press it up and into the lashes. We're going to do this all the way across the lash line. Hey guys, I had to go put my son to bed and say goodnight to him. So what we're going to do is blend out this eye look. I'm going to use a different brush. And I'm going to have the other brush just around, just so I can like blend everything back in again. Just looking for a brush. Okay, so I think what we're going to do is keep it cooler toned and not go warm. So I'm going to go into Faux Fur, which is up here, and then we're going to use this kind of gray shade to blend it out even a little bit more. So Faux Fur and then Poise. I'm actually going to mix them, so I think that will give a better look. Because when we blend it, we can go into a different color to blend them out further. But I think this is going to give a really pretty blended look. And you can also use powder to blend it out too. It will actually look really good. Okay, so again, a little bit of this on the lower lash line, those two mixed, just to kind of keep it all blended together. I'm going to go into Cold Plunge and then blend those shades out. So same brush, the second brush here, and just blend it out. So if you have any choppiness at all, this is the perfect method to try to blend it out. Okay, and then you should have this like smoky look. So it's kind of like a gray look. And it's not gray. It's like this, I don't know. Can't really pinpoint this color. It's really pretty though. So what I'm doing here, because you can't really see in my crease because I have such a deep crease, I'm just adding more of She's Rich back in, just to make sure the lid stays dark. Okay, so I might actually put highlight on the inner corner, but I wonder if I should also add some sparkle. I think the sparkle is a bit too sparkly, to be quite honest, because then it won't no longer be a smoky eye. It'll be like a sparkly, like outer corner eye thing. So we don't want to do that. So I'm just going to brush away any fallout if we have any. And then I'm going to go do eyelashes and mascara, and we'll be back to complete the lips and the highlighter. Okay, my eyelashes were just still drying, so I'm just going to apply some highlight here. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to do inner corner first. I'm using Mary Lou by the Balm because it's my favorite. I apply it and then I kind of blend it in and up. A little bit under the eyebrow. The brush I'm using is a little big for this step, but that's okay. Next, the rest of the face. I'm going to do the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose a little bit, Cupid's bow. I'm almost wondering if I should keep my lips like normal, like natural, and just use lip gloss. Tempted. Okay, using a little brush to blend it out a little bit. And then I'm just going to maybe use a gloss and see what it looks like. I'm going to use my Saie, it's called Disco. It's like the lip gloss. Just a lip gloss. Yeah, that's shiny and pretty and pink, so I like that. I'm just going to leave it like that. And then we're going to do lashes. I will be right back. Okay, guys, so that is the completed look. I think I look balanced. I think everything is good. So I'm going to do a setting spray, and then we are done. We need to fan the face dry. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. If you're new, please subscribe. Click on the bell button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.